Mga
Ano po
nanonood ngayon, I
masasabi
want you to know
ninyo?
that there is hope. Kung ano man ang nararanasan nyo ngayon, that's temporary. Lilipas din yan. I know it's very difficult. You don't feel it. You feel it is hopeless, araw-araw ganito, but believe me when I tell you, it will end. The pain will end. And this is the beautiful thing. You don't know that the very pain you are experiencing today is the beauty that God will use for your life. You know, it's a radical act to live. It takes courage to live. It takes courage to fight and live. And the only way you can do that, you can do it on your own if you want to, pero nakakapagod. I'm telling you, if you want to do it your own way, you can. But it is tiring. Ang pinakamahirap sa buhay na to, yung feeling mo, wala kang kakampi, wala kang kaakibat, walang kaagapay. And let's face it, maybe in your own home now, you feel, it's not my dad, it's not my mom, my parents are separated, they don't love us, nobody's here to take care of us. Well, you know, that's where the Lord comes in. You have a Father in heaven who sees you, who knows you, who's forgiven you, who loves you, who will never leave your side. Our Father in heaven knows the very number of hairs on your head. You are the apple of His eye. It does not feel that way today, but believe me, when you surrender your life to Him, you'll live a fuller life. And I think that's really the joy of everything. It's temporary. And that's spiritual. But the number thing I want you to know is what Shinkitan told me and a friend, Geraldine Acuña Sunshine, told me, you can learn anything. Huwag mo iisipin, bobo ako, hindi ko to kaya matutunan. No, you can learn anything. And when you learn, that's when your life will change.